What happens if you stop complaining for 30 straight days? I tested it and the results were phenomenal. They were nothing like I expected. At first it felt impossible, right? But what I learned in the process could change how you see your entire life. I mean everything. So stick to the end of this video because the first week was really brutal. I didn't even realize how much I complained about little things, the weather, slow Wi-Fi, traffic, every single noise, every single thing. I complained about them. It was like my brain was wired to find problems. I forced my mind to find a solution instead of a complaint. That's when things started to shift. By week 2, I noticed something crazy. My energy level started going up. The way I saw life was different. I wasn't draining myself by focusing on the negative but focusing on the positive. People around me noticed too. Friends said I seemed calmer, more focused, and even more fun to be around. The less I complained, the lighter my life felt. Things were going better than they used to be. Here's the biggest takeaway from this. Complaining doesn't change the problems, it fits them, gives them fuel. But choosing not to complain makes you more resourceful, patient, and confident. Instead of saying, why me? I started asking, what now? What are we going to do about the situation we found ourselves? After 30 days, I realized the challenge wasn't about silence. It was about power, the power to control my focus, my mood, and my energy overall. So here's my challenge to you. Try go one day without complaining about anything. Comment I'm in if you're brave enough to test this.